Your voice is a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs daily training. Today I'm going to share with you some vocal exercises that you can do daily to improve your singing voice. And you can also follow me on Spotify, DEEZER, Apple to get access to all my audio vocal exercises. Let's begin. We're gonna sing the word sing and hold the NG at the end. Sing. If you push the NG sound too much from your throat, you won't be able to reach high notes. You need to feel the vibrations here. Okay, pay close attention to that. I'll play the piano, you follow along. Don't sing too loud, don't push. Nice work. Great job. Slide. Take your time. Take your time. Sing. Yes. You need to control your breath. Okay, one more. Sing. Amazing job. Let's move on to the next exercise. We'll alternate between two nasal consonants. We start with and then we switch to n. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Follow along. Nice work. Nasal resonance, yes. Great job. Keep it up. 2 more. Fantastic job. Now let's jump into the next exercise. I think you know this one, lip trills. Sliding up and down 2 times on a fifth. that's it. Woo! Relax your jaw. Nice work. You need to control your exhale. Keep that energy. A few more. Two more. Don't give up. Get ready, the next exercise is coming. We start with the straw to control your breath, and then we sing ooh without the straw. Grab your straw, I'll play the piano, just follow along. Without the straw, ooh. Grab your straw. Without the straw. Nice work. Yes, keep going. Ooh. Great job. Ooh. One more, and that's it. To end this vocal warm-up, let's work on twang to add a little bit of brightness into your voice. Nya, 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 nya. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Very bright. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, 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 nya. Open your mouth. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, nya, nya. work. Back down. Nya, 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 nya. Keep going. You're doing great. Nya, 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 nya. Two more. Last one. Nya, 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 nya. Woo! You did it! Amazing job! Which exercise did you find the most helpful today? Let me know in the comments. You can click on this video to continue with a gentle cool down.